In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify URL and store name. Whether you're rebranding or simply want to update your online presence, changing your store URL and name is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log in to your Shopify admin account. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your store, from product listings to customer orders, and of course, the settings we'll be working with today. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to access the admin dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the lower left corner of your screen to find the settings option. Clicking here will open up a menu with various options to manage your store. From this menu, you'll want to select General. This section is where you'll find most of the key information about your store, like its name, address, and contact information. When you are in the General section, focus on the Store Details area. This is the part where you will make your changes. Here, you'll be able to update your store name. Click on the field where your current store name is listed, and simply type in the new name you've chosen for your store. It's crucial to make sure this new name accurately reflects your brand's identity and the message you want to convey to your customers, as it's often the first impression potential clients will receive. After changing the store name to your preference, don't forget to save your changes. You will find the Save button typically located at the top or bottom right of the page. Clicking Save ensures that all your updates are implemented and will be reflected live on your store. Without saving, any changes you've made will not be retained. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Shopify store name. Keep in mind that while changing your store name is quite straightforward, changing the actual store URL involves altering your domain settings, which can be a bit more complex. If that's part of your plan, you may need to consult Shopify's support resources or your domain provider. Now you can continue to manage and grow your store with a fresh name that embodies your brand's personality. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy selling!